Most people come in with their gender twin, but they don't run in one given lifetime. They will not run into their gender twin in every lifetime. Only in the last lifetime before ascension. They will meet their gender twin, and they're like those, sometimes there's those like love at first sight, just, fall in love. You see, once in a while, you see these couples that have this really special weird thing. They're just really together. And even when they can fight and be mad at each other, but there's still this love bond between them. You can feel it. This is indicative of gender twin, natural gender twin relationships. Gender twin relationships are very special. Now, some people's gender twins pass on before they do, and they'd be like in D4 in between lifetimes and not on planet. There's a lot of variations on this. But when we come in as regular human beings with 12-strand patterns, we have our gender twin that we would naturally meet at the end of our cycle of 12, where we'd come together and then we would merge. And usually they end up as romantic couples because when you combined, there's a lot of people don't realize, sexuality is about combining Kundalini coding and DNA coding. When you unite with someone, you are taking on part of their codes and they're taking on part of your codes as far as the template, scalar wave patterns. With gender twins, the progressive coming together as, well, it was originally the divine coupling, the married couple really kind of symbolized that. They were stimulating rapid activation of each other's gene codes. So they would progressively and synchronistically be able to work their way into ascension together. And they would ascend together and end up in density 2 cycles, or higher if they had higher coding. That was a natural way it was supposed to work. With indigos, it's even more fun. I'm going to part of this, but not all of it, because it gets really wild. But with indigos, in every vector, they come in with a gender twin. There's a gender twin for every indigo in its own time vector. So they're gender twin pairs, right? Not only do they have the one there in that time vector, they have another set in the inner Earth time vector at the same time, and another set on the parallel Earth time vector. There's that extra inner Earth set of manifestations that goes with the indigo imprint. That's the Iani Council that regular 12-strand DNA humans don't have to deal with.